Hey everyone, this is Erik with ErikBurton.com. As you can see, I have leads consistently coming into my email and coming into my email list. And you can see all the sales and the actual customers that I'm bringing in. Well, this is what I try to convince people that I can help them do as well with earning income from home online. And the hardest part that you would get training from me and from the digital asset that I use is learning how to follow up with those leads specifically and correctly so that you can get these type of customers coming in, potential customers and or specific converted sales. So click on the link in the description below and I will do my best to help you understand how to earn income from home online with a digital asset and with a traffic source that is going to help you understand how easily it is to earn 6 figures per year or more online. Click on the link in the description below